This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Sandi Greenwood. Mountain views. Detached 30 by 30 RV garage/barn with workshop. 3 acres. Enjoy the beautiful mountain views off your back deck in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a gas log fireplace, eat-in kitchen and separate dining room. Separate patio with hydrolic cabana/hot tub cover, prepped for hot tub. Roof and HVAC were replaced in 2020. Hot water heater 1 year old. Fencing on property excellent for use as a mini farm as well. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandi Greenwood at 931-707-2100.